So we want to define dynamics. We've already defined what kinematics is all about. So we move ahead and define dynamics. So the other branch is dynamics. Dynamics, that's the number 2. So in dynamics, here we study the motion of a body, and also the forces that influence the motion are also considered. So here we regard both the motion and also the forces that influence, because we have various types of forces, and these forces influence the motion of a body. So here we study, in dynamics, there is the study of motion of bodies, study of motion of bodies, and the forces that influence the motion, and the forces that influence the motion. So we study both the motion and also the forces that influence the motion. So you can see the two branches. For the kinematics, we only study the motion of bodies, but in dynamics, we study both the motion of the bodies and the forces that influence the motion. Those are the two main branches of the study of motion, because we have seen that the study of motion is divided into two main branches.